HBO Max Error Code 905303 that could be a result of a service outage or server issues. Sometimes, this could appear due to an unstable internet connection too. This error code usually appears whenever the user tries to stream something using the HBO Max app on his/her device. Not a reason to get worried about, as this guide is dedicated to providing you with the best and simple methods to get rid of this error code. Method 1. Check server status. The HBO Max server may be experiencing an outage, or it has been purposefully put on downtime for planned maintenance. If HBO Max's servers are down, the only option you have is to wait for its team to address the problem. On the other hand, proceed to the next method if HBO Max's servers are working fine. Method 2. Check internet connection. As it can also be a network issue, make sure that your network connection is up to the mark. See whether your device is connected to the internet or not, and if the internet signal is active or not. Poor internet connection will result in the occurrence of this error code. If your internet is stable and you are still facing the error code 905303, then you can use VPN as an alternative solution, although the VPN protects the user information from the web server and also gives you a better internet speed. There are several VPN applications available on the internet. You can use one of them. I also recommend Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi, because the Ethernet provides a stable connection. However, the Wi-Fi might fail to provide a stable connection as Ethernet. Because if some of the mobile devices are connected with your Wi-Fi, then your internet speed might get unstable. On the other hand, if you use Ethernet, you will not face the unresponsive internet connection. Method 3. Clear cache, then restart your device. The cache may get corrupted and result in the errors such as 905303. Clearing them could be the simple solution to fix the error and stream your content ostensibly. Method 4. Stay up to date. The system software update is important because it helps to fix bugs and improve the performance of your device. So, if the error code 905303 is caused by an incompatibility issue or even system file corruption, updating the system software can resolve that. Otherwise, you should check for HBO Max's updates and version manually. Outdated versions can be problematic, and it's wise to resolve the issue sooner rather than later. Method 5. Disable ad blocker and antivirus. If the error code is appearing on your PC, maybe the reason is an ad blocker or antivirus software. Disable them and try again and see if the error code has been gone or not. Method 6. Reinstall HBO Max. This is the last resort when error couldn't be fixed with any of the above methods. You will need then to reinstall HBO Max.